Wizarding World Wardrobe, where magic meets street style, house pride meets quiet cosplay, and everyday life just becomes a little bit more enchanted. Today we're diving into Ravenclaw-inspired outfit, everyday wizard streetwear look, all the while looking back on enclothed cognition and how it ties into the power of Sai Cosplay. So welcome back to Slumber Myth's concept series, Sai Cosplay, where fandom meets fashion and you get to secretly live out your fantasy worlds in everyday life. I am Cora Poe, and this is Slumber Myth, a place for insomnia fuel. Today we are taking a leisurely stroll down a cobblestone alleyway that you might recognize, one lined with bookstores and potion shops, the scent of butterbeer in the air. This is Wizarding World Wardrobe. Sai Cosplay is my word for micro-cosplay in everyday life. It's not costumes, it's not cosplay with a capital C. It's style that channels your favorite worlds and characters in wearable, intentional ways, using color, silhouette, mood, and symbols to transform not just your outfit, your entire outlook. Because what you wear actually changes you. There is a real scientific principle behind it called enclothed cognition. I'll leave the video I did on it before in the cards for you. The idea is that clothing affects your mind. When you dress like someone clever, powerful, brave, or wise, you start to feel that way. Your posture changes. Your thoughts sharpen. You show up differently. So, when we build a Wizarding World wardrobe, we're not just playing dress up. We're activating the magical traits we admire and carrying them with us into the real world. Let's start with a look inspired by the House of Wit, Wisdom, and non-coincidentally, my house, Ravenclaw. In this Ravenclaw fit, I'm going with a midnight blue pleated miniskirt with black lace shorts underneath. Elegant, academic, and just enough flow and coverage to feel like no one can see my underoos when I fly over them on my vintage Nimbus 2000. Layered with a blue bra because house colors don't have to scream, they can whisper. On my feet, black ballet flats, with optional thigh highs that are preferably navy blue, but for summer, no thanks. For comfort, roaming the library during long hours of research and/or doom scrolling, and accessories that screams boarding school, a leather satchel full of books that looks like it belonged of someone in the Ministry of Magic's fashion history department. Think modern magical scholar out for coffee, a bit mysterious, very composed, and probably knows how to disarm you of your wand and make you laugh simultaneously. Slight, oversized black button-up, left open over a white satin cami, tucked in for comfortable structure. Gives the flowing robe vibe without the heat. Wear it like a cloak, a very short, very light cloak, with enchantment-ready pockets. You need places for runestones, crystals, and sunglasses, of course. Accessories are silver with crystals, stacked silver rings, or a thumb ring special for spellcasting, of course, round black sunglasses, magical protection, scrying, and UV rays, my crossbody satchel in deep navy, or in this case, my trusty leather bag that I scored on eBay. Roomy enough for a grimoire or two, and a Switch, and an iPad. This look is quiet confidence, and frankly, it's giving summer magic by moonlight. It's, I graduated Hogwarts 200 years ago and run my own potions emporium now. So why do this? Because Sai Cosplay lets you tap into the archetypes that give you strength. You don't need a wand to cast a spell. You just need the intention behind what you wear. If a scarf makes you feel like you belong at Hogwarts, a pair of pants makes you walk like you're on a mission to protect your friends. If a pendant reminds you that you are smart enough, brave enough, magical enough, that's the kind of transformation that lasts all day. So whether you're dressing like the Ravenclaw head teacher with a secret animagus form, mine's a raccoon dog, or just a regular wizard trying to make it to the end of the week without a meltdown hex, you deserve to feel magical. Even in the summer, outfits like these can keep the wizard silhouette, long lines, layered textures, and symbols of power. It's easy, breezy mysticism that says, yes, I cast spells, but I also hydrate and reapply sunscreen. Coming up next, in Slumber Myth's Sai Cosplay series, we'll explore some retro anime dream fits, inspired by Hellsing, Cowboy Bebop, Speed Racer, and Akira. Because your closet, not just clothes, it is a wardrobe, and every wardrobe has the potential to lead to other worlds. Until then, keep your wand steady and your magic subtle but deadly. Let me know what fandoms you would like to embody in everyday life. As always, thanks for watching, and happy nightmares.